Let me open the application solution. Now I start application server project and see an empty web page. Time to override the init async method and add a hello world text. This method is called once a lifetime. I start the application again and see the text as expected. Now I create two tables in the database. Then I run the CLI generate script. It generates a class for each table in the database.cs file. On the web application I create a data grid component and initiate data loading. Further I turn it into an async method. Next I override the grid query method to define the link query for the data grid. I start the application. I see the data grid, can add new entries, filter and sort. Now I override the grid lookup query method to define a lookup window. The window should open on the column named text, and it should filter the records on the text the user entered so far. The last thing I have to do is to override the method grid lookup row selected. It's called when the user selects an item from the lookup window. Let me start the application again and type good in the column text. I select good morning. Thanks for watching.